Good morning, Red Lions. How are you today? I hope you're having a great day. I miss you. All right, let's get started because we got some subtraction to do. All right, what month is it? May. Good job. Anyway, let's do our days of the week. 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 There's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday. And then there's Saturday. Days of the week. 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 So yesterday was Tuesday the 19th. Yep. That makes today what? Oh, there's my dog. Say hi, Lola. Lola, move. Say hi. Now say bye. All right. So yesterday was Tuesday. What's today? Wednesday. Good. And today is the what? 20th. Let's say the whole date. Today is Wednesday, May 20th, 2020. So today is Wednesday. What was yesterday? Wednesday. What was yesterday? Yep, yesterday was Tuesday. There's the word Tuesday. What's tomorrow gonna be? Thursday. Yes, tomorrow's Thursday. Good job. All right. It is spring. That's our season. And it's not raining right now, but it is awfully cloudy. You see it? Cloudy. All right, let's get started on some subtraction. Okay, guys. Subtraction means one more. We're going to review this a little bit. You should have already learned this before we went into the quarantine. So remember, subtraction means to take away. So if I had two fingers and I put one down, how many do I have left? One. I took away one. If I ate two cookies, and I had two cookies and I ate one, I only have one cookie left, right? We're going to watch this video about subtraction, okay? So the answer is called the difference. Do it. Fly with them. Swim. Be smart. Yay! All right. So that was just a fun little way to start talking about subtraction. I am going to show you my board. I won't be in the picture, really. Okay, so here's my whiteboard. We're going to do some word problems today with subtraction. So remember, subtraction is when you take away. So let me draw some pictures. So let's say I had two, one, two, three hearts. And I'm going to take away one. How many do I have left? These are the ones I have left. They're still there, right? I didn't take it away. So I have three. Took away two, and I have how many left? Nope, I took away one. That's right, there's a mistake. I have two left. My fault, guys. So I had three. I took away one, and now I have two left. Okay? Let's do a couple more together. And I'm going to use my magnetic things to kind of show you how to take away. All right. So let's say that Yayla had 5 cookies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's your Yayla's 5 cookies. Okay. And let's say that Dominic came into the room and Yayla gave Dominic 2 cookies. Right, take more here. She gave them to him. How many does Yayla have left? So she had 5. She took away 2, and now she has 3. The answer to my problem is 3. It's called the difference. 3 cookies are left. Good job. All right. Let's say that Princess had 8 lollipops. Okay. She had 8 lollipops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 5 and 3, right? That's how I see it. 8 lollipops. She gave 2 away. Move them down here. She gave them away. Somebody else. To her. To Christian. Let's say she gave to Christian. So she had 8, gave 2 to Christian. How many does Princess have left? Yes, she's got 6 left. So we started with 8. We minus, took away 2. And now we have 6. 8 minus 2 equals 6. Good work. Okay. All right, let's say that Gabby had 3 new shirts and she went and decided to give away one to a friend. How many shirts does Gabby have left? She has 3, right? Took away 1 and now she has 2. 3 minus 1 equals 2. Good job. All right. How many is that? Good. All right. 6, right? So let's say that, oh, I'm about to sneeze. Let's say that, let's say that Paola had 6 puppies. She had 6 puppies at her house. Somebody came and bought 1 puppy. So that puppy went to a new house. How many puppies does Paola Yeah, 5, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. She had 6. Took away 1. That equals 5. Here's my whole subtraction set. 6 minus 1 equals 5. Good. Let's do one more like this. We're going to do some on the computer. All right. How many do I have? Yeah, 10, right? 5 and 5 makes 10. So let's say that Stephanie had 10 French fries. And she ate all 10. She ate them all. So she ate 10. She had 10 French fries. She ate all 10 fries. How many does she have left? Up here, right? 0. So 10 minus 10 equals 0. She has none left. Good job. All right. So we're going to do a couple problems now on IXL Switch and share my screen. Okay. So here we go. We had 7 fish. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's my first digit, my first number, 7. They crossed off 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many are left? 1. Good job. 1. Just this one. Good job. All right. There were 9 fish. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. They took away how many? Took away 2. Put an X on 2. How many are left? So 9 minus 2 equals? Good job. 7. All right. There were 7 fish. My first number, how many I start with, is always going to be my first number. How many did I take away? How many have X's? Minus 2. Minus 2. 1, 2. And how many are left? Good. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right. This time there were 4 fish. 2, 3, 4. Took away how many? Good. They took away 1. And how many are left? Did you say 3? Kiss your brain if you said 3. You guys are good at subtraction. Okay, let's do this one. How many fish did we start with? There were 5 fish swimming in a pond. How many swam away? How many are we going to take away? Minus 2, so 5 minus 2. And how many fish are left? Yeah, you got it. 3. 5 minus 2 equals 3. Okay, this is a big one. This is going to be our last one. How many fish did we start with? Yeah, 10. All right. Here's how many were taken away? We took away 8. And how many are left? 2. Good work. Good work today, guys. You are doing so well. I hope you keep practicing subtraction at home every day. Addition and subtraction practice. Lots and lots of it. All right? Goodbye. I miss you. I love you. Mwah.